So let's talk about imprinting entire protocols in wearable technology or into oral drops if desired. So you go to the TriVector panel, right? There's two protocols on there. There's the gout protocol and the Epstein-Barr virus protocol. So let's talk about the gout protocol first, right? As always, you just put the media on the contact plate. You could just do xanthine oxidase, for example, right? And imprint that. Or, like a single frequency, xanthine oxidase being the enzyme that detoxifies uric acid, right? Or, of course, you put in the entire protocol, which is what I would recommend. You click on a protocol, you do the interface function, and it will send the frequencies to the interface box. And now it's imprinting the entire gout protocol onto this media, which happens to be a bracelet. This is important for people that have serious gout and they need more than one treatment. Often they respond just with one or two treatments, but certain people, especially older people, they need 10, 12 treatments to get rid of the gout completely. So rather than having all these trips to the clinic, they can wear this. It will feed this frequency into the body. Now, you can do the same thing for Epstein-Barr virus. Chronic Epstein-Barr virus infections are implicated, in Hashimoto's, for example, and many other things. I mean, it causes cancer too. The fact of the matter is over 90% of the population have that infection, and it's chronic. They've had it all their lives for the most part. So you won't be able to get it out there just, in a hurry or in a couple of sessions. Sometimes it takes 20, 30 sessions if it's been in there for 30 years, right? Well, that's a lot of trips to the clinic. So a nice trick is to wear it for a couple of weeks. And so here's how you imprint the entire protocol for Epstein-Barr virus into a bracelet, for example. Select the Epstein-Barr protocol, send it to the interface, which is the box, and now the frequencies are imprinted into this chip that's part of the bracelet. And by the way, the green lights are frequencies coming from the computer. The blue lights are acquisition frequencies coming from the body, right? Right now we're not getting anything from a body, we're only imprinting. So the blue lights are the ones coming from the person that's usually hooked up to the harness. So that's how you very simply imprint a protocol, for example, the Epstein-Barr virus protocol. Now you can make your own protocol on any, like on a biofield or the allergen panel, or any other panel, and imprint it into a media. It's all at your fingertips.